The Jeep is almost ready to go here. Got the detail pretty soon. But I found out the blower motor doesn't work on level 1. So got a new blower motor resistor right here. This is for the older style from, I think, a Sebring, what it was. This one is a standard, and the part number on it is RU347. So to replace the blower motor resistor, pull the glove box down here. There's going to be a release on this side and that side. Get that out of the way. And then we'll have the cable right here. So this cable is held in place with a clip underneath here. It's a little bit difficult to get to. The red clip. I'm going to pull that out and then take off these two 8mm bolts. Now we got that out of the way. You get these 8mm bolts out. Now I got those bolts out of the way. This should just slide out. Let me check to see what this looks like. The first one doesn't work. A little bit of heat on that first one, I guess. So I'm gonna replace it with this one. So it should just slide back in place. Not too much difficulty, hopefully. And then bolt it back in. Then we got the new one in, old one out. This is original. That's the somewhat upgraded older style. And to get this closed, you just push it. That's that. So now I just need to test the blower motor, see if this thing actually works. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's working on fan speed 1 now, and it didn't do anything on fan speed 1 before. So make sure these all work. 2, 3, 4, 1. Hey!